Okay, this is my video response for Troy's tutorial class, and the topic we were supposed to talk about was ways in which your mentor teacher keeps students engaged and builds a classroom community, and then ways you plan to do that when you become a future teacher. So I was only in practicum for one day because we had Truth and Reconciliation Day and then the strike. So I didn't get really to observe the things that she does, but one thing that I did really pick up on was Think, Pair, Share, and she actually told me that she loves this because it allows for students to get constructive criticism from a buddy instead of like getting that fear in like their chest and like their stomach and all this stuff because they think the teacher's gonna be mad that they don't get it. So what she will do is have the students do a few math problems, like 1 or 2, and then we'll pair them up strategically. So it's like if one student's really good at everything in trigonometry but can't rearrange the formula properly, she'll set them up with somebody who may be struggling with other aspects but can always rearrange the formula properly and could like maybe give them ways to remember how you rearrange it. So then it just allows for them to work together because teamwork makes the dream work. And it just like when somebody is guiding you through things and they can be there to help you answer questions right then and there, it just really benefits everybody because then when you're teaching, you're like, oh, I do know this. And then when you're learning and you can ask as you go instead of raising your hand or waiting till the lesson's over, you get your questions answered right there. Another thing she does that I have always loved, my teachers have always done this when I was in elementary school, high school, junior high, all that stuff, is an attendance question. The one that she did was just their name, so that they could tell me their names, and their favorite color. So just like quick little things like that to like get students engaged and to like find people who have common interests, because it doesn't just have to be colors. It can be like, oh, what's your favorite show? And then you say Friends, and you didn't think anybody else was gonna like Friends, and then the partner next to you also likes it. So then you just build like friendships, I guess. And sometimes she'll also ask one thing that they learned the day before. And I think that really just helps because then it's like, oh, you do know this. And then you hear something else and they can be like, oh yes, I did. I forgot about that yesterday. So things that I want to do when I become a teacher are check-ins. And I dream to be a biology teacher. So I think that'll really help me gauge where the students are at and what I need to work on, like that kind of thing. And then an attendance question, because like I said, I have always loved those. And it gives you something to look forward to. And when I was in Chem 20, I hated that class, but we always did attendance questions. So it just made me more excited to be there and like want to learn because I was pumped up at the beginning of class because I got to answer an attendance question about myself. So yeah, that is my video response. And it's going to be exactly 3 minutes, which was stressing me out. But okay, thank you. I hope this was okay.